Chasing people is the fastest way to lose power. Think about it. The more you chase, the less valuable you look. The more you try to convince, the more desperate you seem. But the people who actually win don't chase, they attract. And that's what this law is about. Most people spend their lives chasing attention, chasing opportunities, chasing people who don't even value them. They send long messages, they keep following up, they try too hard to prove themselves, and slowly their value drops. Because when you chase, you give the other person control. You show them you need them more than they need you. Think about it in simple terms. If someone keeps texting you again and again, you don't respect them more. You start ignoring them. But the moment they stop, now you're curious. Now you notice. That's how human psychology works. This law is simple. Instead of chasing, create situations where people come to you. You don't force attention, you attract it. And sometimes you use bait. Not manipulation, but smart positioning. You create value, curiosity, or opportunity that pulls people toward you. Because when people come to you, you have the control. Look at luxury brands. They don't chase customers. They don't beg you to buy. Sometimes they make it harder to access their products. And what happens? People want it more because scarcity creates value. Think about job opportunities. If you constantly beg for a job, you lose power.
But if your skills, your reputation, and your presence are strong, opportunities start coming to you. Even in relationships, the person who is always chasing loses attraction. The one who has their own life and their own focus becomes more desirable. So how do you apply this? First, stop chasing people who don't value you. Your time and energy are limited. Use them wisely. Second, increase your value. Work on your skills, your mindset, your presence, so people naturally get attracted to you. Third, create curiosity. Don't reveal everything. Don't always be available. Let people wonder. And fourth, control the situation. Position yourself in a way where others need to come to you. Because the moment you stop chasing and start attracting, everything changes. In life, the one who chases loses. The one who attracts wins. So stop running after everything. Start becoming someone worth chasing. Because real power is not in forcing things, it's in making things come to you. Subscribe for the next law of power, because the next one might completely change how you deal with people.